Hey guys, welcome back to the Texas State Theory Test, Grade 7. In this video, we're going to be going over questions 7 and 8, so let's get started. Question 7 states, write the correct time signature for each measure below. Use 4 of these meters once. So you're not going to use any of these meters twice. Okay, this is pretty easy. All you have to do is add up the number of beats, which you should be able to do very well by now. So here I have 2 eighth notes, that's 1 beat, quarter note, that's 1 beat, 2 eighth notes, that's 1 beat, quarter note, 1 beat, quarter note, 1 beat, and so altogether that's 5 beats, so this is 5 4 time. Not that hard. Next one, here I have a beat and a half plus another half, so I have 2 whole beats right here, and then 2 eighth notes make 1 whole beat. So here I have 3 beats, this is 3 4 time. Okay, pay very close attention whenever you see an 8 on the bottom. That means the 8th note now gets 1 beat. So when we do when there's an 8 on the bottom, we group everything in 3 beat groups. So here I have 3 beats. Here I have 3 beats. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that is 6 8 time. Okay, last one. Here I have a beat. Here 2 eighth notes, that equals a beat. 1 quarter note, that equals a beat. 2 eighth notes, that equals a beat. So 1 2 3 4. Simple 4 4 time. Not hard at all. Okay, let's move on to question number 8. Question 8 says, A, complete the major circle of fifths. Write the names of the major keys on the lines provided. Use uppercase letters. Okay, now let's take a look at our silly sentence. You should know the silly sentence all the way back from grade number 4 if you've been taking the theory test this long. So here, remember, it's fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. Alright? Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. Now, let's erase that. All you have to do is remember that sentence and you will get this perfectly. I promise. Okay, so we're going to start here at C. That's the second word in our silly sentence, fat cats. So there's a letter or a word before that. So C, I'm going to back up one and start with fat. Okay, so fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. There we go. Now let's stick with the sharps. So let's do the sharps in blue. You're not going to be able to do this on your test, but just for a visual reference, I'm going to do this. Alright, so right after bugs, we're going to start the sentence over again. At the 6 sharps, don't put the next one here where it says 7 flats. We're sticking with the sharps. So here, we're going to take F, and we're going to do it again. F sharp, and then 7 sharps, that is C sharp. Alright? So, now we've run out of sharps, let's go back the other way. I'm going to do this one in red. So now we're just going to do the sentence backwards. So if I started here with C, then I go to F, then it's going to be B, E, A, D, G, C, F, and then I'm going to repeat it going backwards. So it's going to start with B, but it's not just going to be B, everything's going to have a flat after F. So B, and then E, and then A, D, and then G, and then C. Alright, so if I started here, it would be cats go down alleys eating bugs. Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. Whoops, and then it starts over with fat cats. Okay, that's your entire major circle of fifths. You should know that from the previous test. Now let's do the same thing with the minor circle of fifths. We use the same sentence. Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. We're just not going to start on C, we're starting on A. So, what comes after alleys? And then eating bugs. Remember, with the minor circle of fifths, everything needs to be lowercase. Okay, alleys eating bugs. And then what comes after bugs? Well, it starts with fat again. Fat cats go down alleys. We started on A, we ended on A. Now let's go backwards. What comes before A in our silly sentence? That should be D. Whoops, I don't want to do this in red. Do it in black. Okay, D. And then G, C, F. Alright. Now, we're going to start adding flats to the letter names. So, B flat, E flat, E flat, then A flat. Now that is your entire minor circle of fifths. Pretty simple. Okay, that is all of question 7 and 8. Keep practicing, keep studying, and I will see you in the next video.